Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use Copilot using ChatGPT. Just a couple of days ago, this Google Chrome extension are introducing one of the company, and using this extension, you can use Copilot in ChatGPT. How to use it, what exactly look like, how many features, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here Google and just put it here Monica ChatGPT Copilot in Google Chrome extension, absolutely free. The first link is display here. Even I already added this link in video description. You just simply click here. After that, you just simply add the Google Chrome extension. Here I already added the Google Chrome extension and my extension is here. Now we see how exactly look like in Google Chrome extension. I just simply open here and this is a Monica ChatGPT Copilot extension is coming here. You can ask here any of the question, and some specific advantage of this Copilot ChatGPT, it's if you ask something, so this is a readable, and here you can produce your voice, recognize and type the question. I just simply ask here the question, can you provide me top 10 attraction located on Switzerland, and enter. So look at this here, and that one is just so fast. If you are seeing here, it's producing so much result and fraction of second. That one is really amazing. All information you can receive here within a fraction of second. Can you provide me definition of machine learning? Just hold down and click. Look at this here, definition of machine learning is coming here. Can you provide me definition of recurrent neural network? And look at this, recurrent neural network is a type of neural network design a process sentimental. Entire information are coming here. That one is really amazing. Now one more example I will give you, it's interesting. I just simply open here as a demo Microsoft Copilot, and I open this website and I want explanation about this particular word. I just simply select this one and look at this here, explanation. Inside the explanation translate to English, summarization is coming here. I just simply click here and the Copilot Monica is providing me the explanation of the specific sentence. That one is really amazing. If I select their Copilot and then see, Copilot is generally refers to second person to flight related, but one more example, Copilot is a technology related concept. That one is really amazing. You can summarize as a Copilot. If you select, like for example, I select here entire paragraph and I need to summarize of this paragraph, so you can summarize entire paragraph on running time. Even the explanation, chat to continue, here the chat to continue is coming here. That one is also amazing. If you want translate this particular word as a different language, like a translate to English, currently is English, the sentence is available on English, but sometimes I'm accessing some of the data in European languages. So that point of view, this extension is very helpful for me. So many options are available here. You can use these features. You can disable also this particular features. Always the features, if you select this one, the features is automatically coming here, so you can disable also this one if you want disable. Otherwise you can enjoy those features absolutely free. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.